The next-generation wide-body Boeing 777X was meant to redefine aviation with its improved features, efficiency, and passenger comfort. Touted as the world's biggest and most fuel-efficient twin-engine aircraft, it sought to redefine long-haul flying. The 777X program has faced delays, technical issues, and stakeholder concerns, despite its high aims and technological potential. This video discusses the 777X program's technical challenges, customer unhappiness, and Boeing's reputation and finances. Number 6. The development process and postponements. How did the Boeing 777X's ambitious timetable get derailed by a single stress test failure? The Boeing 777X was initially scheduled to go into service in 2020, however, due to a number of setbacks, its anticipated delivery date has been pushed back to 2026. Technical difficulties, legal restrictions, and internal Boeing inefficiencies are all to blame for the delays. A cargo door failing under strain during a stress test in 2019 was one of the worst disappointments. The incident brought to light the aircraft's structural weaknesses and prompted further investigation by the Federal Aviation Administration (FAA). Following the 737 MAX catastrophe, regulatory requirements became much more stringent, requiring Boeing to use more stringent quality control and testing procedures for all projects, including the 777X. The COVID-19 pandemic further threw off production plans by 2020, forcing Boeing to scale down its manufacturing operations due to supply chain disruptions and a decline in demand for air travel. Already struggling with lower profits, the airline industry showed less enthusiasm in purchasing new aircraft, particularly pricey wide-body planes like the 777X. Number 5. Technical difficulties. Do Boeing's novel folding wingtips represent a breakthrough or a challenge for engineers? When Boeing found flaws in the thrust link structure, a crucial part that joins the engine to the wing, in August 2024, a serious problem surfaced. The whole 777X test fleet was grounded for many months due to this flaw, as engineers redesigned and strengthened the faulty components. Because the 777X has the biggest jet engine in the world, the GE9X, which produces a tremendous amount of power and stress on the airframe, the thrust link problem was especially worrisome. For Boeing, ensuring the thrust link's longevity and safety were of utmost importance. During testing, other concerns surfaced, such as software bugs in the flight control systems and aerodynamic challenges with the 777XS special foldable wingtips. Although these wingtips were intended to enable the aircraft to fly at airports with smaller gates, it turned out to be more difficult than expected to guarantee their dependability in a variety of situations. After a 4-month break, flight testing was resumed in early 2025, indicating that the structural and technological problems had been resolved. But Boeing is now under a lot more pressure to produce a faultless aircraft because of the delays and related expenses. Number 4. Market impacts and customer concerns. Will Emirates, Boeing's largest client, continue using the 777X or switch to Airbus in search of a more dependable option? In addition to hurting Boeing, the delays and technical difficulties have damaged the company's ties with important clients. The 777X's biggest client, Emirates Airlines, has expressed its displeasure publicly. The airline's president, Tim Clark, has often chastised Boeing for its management style and encouraged the business to put quality before of profitability. Initially, Emirates had ordered 150 777X aircraft, but as delays increased, the airline started looking at other possibilities, such as the Airbus A350. Concerns over the frequent delays have also been raised by other carriers, like Lufthansa and Qatar Airways, which had intended to replace their outdated fleets with the 777X. The delays have given rivals like Airbus a competitive advantage in the long-haul, wide-body aircraft market. Known for its dependability and efficiency, the Airbus A350 has become a formidable rival to the 777X, taking a sizable chunk of the market as Boeing tries to overcome its problems. Number 3. The financial consequences. What effects would mass strikes and layoffs have on Boeing's reputation and 777X production? Boeing's financial situation has been significantly impacted by the 777X program's difficulties. Citing serious performance lapses across many initiatives, the business declared a $6 billion loss in the third quarter of 2024. The program's budget has been greatly inflated by the price of reworking components, carrying out further testing, and paying consumers for delays. Boeing has had to make difficult choices as a result of the financial burden, including the anticipated layoff of almost 17,000 workers, or 10% of its workforce. Alongside these layoffs, manufacturing workers have gone on strike, severely affecting the 777X and other aircraft models' production lines. Boeing's problems are made worse by the general drop in demand for wide-body aircraft. Airlines are hesitant to invest on new planes as they are still getting over the financial setback caused by the COVID-19 outbreak. The potential income that Boeing had expected from the 777X program has been lowered as a result of this decreased demand. Number 2. Corporate culture and reputation. Do Boeing's flagship projects' frequent failures stem from the company culture? Deeper difficulties with Boeing's corporate culture have been revealed by the 777X program, in addition to the technical and financial ones. Over the last 20 years, Boeing's goals have changed, according to critics, including former workers and industry analysts. The business, which was once renowned for its superior engineering and emphasis on safety, has come under fire for allegedly putting money before quality. Boeing's 737 MAX catastrophe was a wake-up call, but the 777X program indicates that the corporation is still having trouble rebuilding its image. Boeing's new CEO, Kelly Ortberg, has admitted that the company has to change its culture. In order to win back the confidence of consumers and authorities, he has underlined the need of openness, staff involvement, and a renewed emphasis on quality. Number 1. The 777X's future. Has the Boeing 777X outlived its usefulness, or is it still in use in the aviation sector? Despite its challenges, the 777X remains a remarkable technological marvel with the potential to revolutionize the aviation industry. It is a desirable choice for airlines looking to improve passenger comfort and fuel efficiency on long-haul flights, because of its GE9X engines, sophisticated aerodynamics, and roomy cabin layout. Boeing has to solve a number of crucial issues in order to ensure the program's future. Safety and reliability. It is crucial to make sure the aircraft satisfies the strictest safety regulations. Another technical or regulatory failure would further undermine Boeing's credibility with the 777X. Thus, the company cannot afford it. Customer relationships. By keeping lines of communication open, providing reimbursement for delays, and showcasing progress in addressing problems, Boeing wants to win back the confidence of its consumers. Market positioning. As Airbus's rivalry heats up, Boeing has to emphasize the 777X's special qualities and benefits over competing aircraft like the A350. Operational efficiency. Cutting expenses and fulfilling delivery deadlines will need better supply chain management and manufacturing procedures. In conclusion, Boeing 777X illustrates aerospace innovation's pros and cons. Delays, technical issues, and financial failures have hampered the aircraft's development despite its cutting-edge design. Boeing must regain stakeholders, regulators, and consumers' confidence to fix these concerns and save the 777X. Boeing might restore its aviation leadership if it produces a safe, reliable, and effective aircraft. But failing to do so could hurt the company's reputation and finances. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.